Would you rather be an early bird or night owl? Drop the answer in the comments down below. Mostly, I would rather be an early bird because I am more of a day person. Sure, I stay up all night just to get things done. Like, I still got to work on my banner that I've made on my channel that's not finished yet, that I have to finish on Tuesday. So I'm more of an early bird. So would you rather be an early bird or a night owl? Drop your answer in the comments down below. Thank you. Comment your answer, like if you agree, subscribe for next question.